this example, you have multiple radicals. So how do you handle that? First thing you're going to want to do is, if you have multiple radicals, well, two radicals, you want to get one on each side. So in this case, we're going to add square root of 2x to both sides. And you end up with square root of x plus 9 is equal to square root of 2x plus 3. Now you're in a position where you can square both sides. Again, when you have a binomial, you got to FOIL it out. So you end up with x plus 9 is equal to 2x plus 6 root 2x plus 9. And you get everything to one side. You get that 0 is equal to x plus 6 root 2x. So you're going to try to isolate that radical. So you're going to subtract x to the other side. Now you square both sides, and you get x squared minus 72x equals 0. Factor out a GCF of x, and you get x equals 0, or x equals 72. When you substitute 0 in for x, it checks out. When you substitute 72 in for x, it does not. So 0 is the only solution here. 72 is extraneous. And when you graph it there, you see that it only intersects at 0 and not 72. All right, you got a couple to try here, so give those a try. And then after you try them, come back and check. All right, part A in red, we added square root of 3x to both sides, then you FOIL. I ended up moving everything to one side, dividing by 2. Then you square both sides. And then after you separated the x back out, then you square both sides, and you end up with 0 or 12. 12 checks out, 0 does not. Over here in purple, for part B, I added square root of 6x to both sides, squared both sides, then tried to isolate the radical, and squared both sides. And then you end up with 6 or, 6 is the solution that ends up being good. The other one was extraneous. All right, let's look at example 6.